Welcome to my first ever guided meditation. So sit back, get comfortable, and close your eyes. To start off, let's take a few deep breaths. Breathing in for 1, 2, 3. Breathing out for 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3. And out for 1, 2, 3. I want you to think about a specific time in your life where you felt on top of the world. That one moment that you did something you didn't think you could do. This could have been a really big moment in your life or something small. Whatever moment comes to mind that makes you feel proud, go with that one. Relive that moment right now in as vivid detail as possible. See who you were with. What were you wearing? The smells, the sounds, how you felt. Visualize what happened to make that day feel so special. I'll watch the time. Notice how you feel. Do you feel the gratitude, the strength, and the worth behind that memory? For just a moment, repeat the phrase, "I am worthy." Repeat it to yourself or aloud with conviction, because against all odds, your life brought you to this very moment. Repeat it like nothing could have prevented you from living that special moment of yours. I am worthy. I am worthy. And now, hopefully that it's stuck, I want you to visualize yourself achieving what you are currently trying to manifest. See it as if it's already happened, like that first memory. What are you wearing? Who are you with? The sounds, the smells, the exact events taking place. And as you visualize this, attach the feeling of worth to it. Feel how worthy you are to be living in this moment. And do not hold back on this. See it as its biggest potential. Go all in on yourself. Visualize your wildest dreams coming true right now. Notice how you are feeling. Those same feelings of gratitude, worth, and strength. And again, let's repeat the phrase, I am worthy. Put your hand on your heart and feel it as you say it. Feel how worthy you are. I am worthy. I am worthy. And now, let that go and just breathe. Notice your chest as it rises and falls, and just simply be here in this moment. And now that your subconscious knows what it feels like to have that thing, it will start aligning you with those actions to get there. Try to take this feeling of gratitude or worth with you for the rest of your day. And whenever you need a reminder, every morning, every week, feel free to come back and do this meditation again and again. Now bring your awareness to the sounds around you. The cars, the wind, the birds, maybe your dog or cat wrestling next to you. Notice the feeling of your hands, your feet against the floor. Feel free to stretch your arms up above your head. Roll your neck a little bit. And whenever you are ready, open your eyes. You have everything it takes already inside of you. You are already worthy. Please remember that. Please give this video a like if you want more of these guided meditations. I'm so excited that I finally did my first one. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.